Good morning, children. All of you, open your term book, page number 2. Open your term book, page number 2. Previous class we have completed till here. Okay, children. Now we are going to read this. Children, always you should remember one thing. Whenever we read the first time any lesson or poem, we should make underline to new words. Okay, children? Don't forget. Please, children, repeat along with me. O-N-E-1-D-A-Y, day. One day, sitting in the dark room. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting, I-N in, T-H-E, the, D-A-R-K, dark, R-O-O-M, room. Sitting, you have to underline. Dark room. Watching, W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, watching. Please, children, once again repeat along with me. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, watching. Over, O-V-E-R, over, his, H-I-S, his, G-O-L-D, gold. One day, sitting in the dark room, watching over his gold, he saw, S-A-W, he saw a stranger, S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger. You have to make underline, children. Once again repeat. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger. A-P-P-E-A-R-I-N-G, appearing. A-P-P-E-A-R-I-N-G, appearing out of, O-U-T, out, O-F of. Appearing also you have to underline. Appearing out of the shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. Once again, children. One day, sitting in the dark room, watching over his gold, he saw a stranger appearing out of the shadow. Midas, M-I-D-A-S, Midas, you must be a happy. You must be a happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy, you have to underline. Midas, you must be a happy man. Once again, children. Midas, you must be a happy man. You have a lot of gold. Y-O-U, have, H-A-V-E, have a lot, L-O-T, lot, O-F of, G-O-L-D, gold. You have a lot of gold. Midas, you must be a happy man. You have a lot of gold. M-I-D-A-S, Midas did not, D-I-D, did, N-O-T, not. Midas did not stop, S-T-O-P, stop, to, T-O, think. Think, underline, children. T-H-I-N-K, think. Think, who, W-H-O, who, the, T-H-E, the, stranger, S-T-A-N-G-E-R, stranger. S-T-A-N-G-E-R, stranger, was, W-A-S, was. Midas did not stop to think who the stranger was. Once again, children, repeat along with me. Midas did not stop to think who the stranger was. No, N-O, no. I'm not happy. A-I-A-M, am. I am not, N-O-T, not. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. No, I'm not happy. I do not have enough gold. Enough, you have to do underline, children. You have to make underline. E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. I, D-O do, N-O-T not, H-A-V-E have, H-A-V-E have, enough, E-N-O-U-G-H enough, G-O-L-D gold. No, I'm not happy. I do not have enough gold. I want more. I, W-A-N-T, want, M-O-R-E, more. I want more. Okay. Next, coming to the third page. How, H-O-W, how, M-U-C-H, much. How much gold, G-O-L-D, gold, D-O, do, Y-O-U, you, need, N-E-E-D, need, T-O-2, B-E-B, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Question mark. How much gold do you need to be happy? I wish, W-I-S-H, wish. I wish that everything, E-V-E-R-Y-T-I-N-G, everything you have to make underline, children. E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G, everything. Once again repeat. E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G, everything. I, touch, T-O-U-C-H, touch. Would, W-O-U-L-D, would. W-O-U-L-D, would. T-U-R-N, turn. Into, T-U-R-N, turn. I-N-T-O, into. I-N-T-O, into. G-O-L-D, gold. Please children repeat along with me. G-O-L-D, gold. I wish that everything I touch would turn into gold. I wish that everything I touch would turn into gold. Are you sure you? A-R-E-R Y-O-U S-U-R-E, sure. Y-O-U, you, want, W-A-N-T, want. Your, Y-O-U-R, your, wish, W-I-S-H, wish, to, T-O-2, C-O-M-E, come, C-O-M-E, come, true, T-R-U-E, true. Are you sure you want your wish to come true? Are you sure you want your wish to come true? Once again, children. Are you sure you want your wish come true? S, Y-E-S-S. I would, I, W-O-U-L-D, would. I would be, B-E-B, very happy, V-E-R-Y, very, underline, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. I would be very happy if I had the golden touch. You have to do underline, golden touch. G-O-L-D-E-N, golden, T-O-U-C-H, touch. G-O-L-D-E-N, golden, T-O-U-C-H, touch. Golden touch. Once again, children, repeat along with me. G-O-L-D-E-N, golden, T-O-U-C-H, touch. Golden touch. S. I would be very happy if I had the golden touch. The T-H-E, the stranger, S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger. Granted, you have to do underline, children. G-R-A-N-T-E-D, granted. G-R-A-N-T-E-D, granted. G-R-A-N-T-E-D, granted. The stranger granted him the golden touch and disappeared. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, disappeared. You have to make underline, children. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, disappeared. The stranger granted him the golden touch and disappeared. So be it. So, be it. The, the, next, next, more, ning. Morning you have to do, underline children. The next morning, the, next, next, more, ning, morning. The next morning, when the sunbeams, when, when, when the sunbeams, sunbeams, you have to do, underline children. Sunbeams entered, entered, entered also underline, entered Midas room, Midas, Midas, room, room. He woke up, woke up. The next morning, when the sunbeams entered Midas room, he woke up. The next morning, when the sunbeams entered Midas room, he woke up. He started, started, he started to touch things, touch, touch, things, things you have to underline, you have to make underline, things within, with, in, within his reach. He started to touch things within his reach. And, as soon as he did. And as soon, S-O-O-N, soon as he did. And as soon as he did, they turned into gold. T-H-E-Y, they. T-U-R-L-E-D, turned, I-N-T-O into G-O-L-D, gold. And as soon as he did, they turned into gold. The bunch of flower, the bunch of roses in a vase. Bunch, B-U-N-C-H, bunch, T-H-E, the, B-U-N-C-H, bunch, O-F, of roses, R-O-S-E-S, roses in a vase. The bunch of roses in a vase, the curtains, C-U-R-T-A-I-N-S, curtains you have to make underline. The curtains, C-U-R-T-A-I-N-S, curtains, the bed sheet, T-H-E, the, B-E-D, S-H-E-T, B-E-D, bed, S-H-E-T, sheet, bed sheet, and his clothes all, T-U-R-N-E-D, turned to gold. Bed sheet and his clothes all turned to gold. Once again repeat children. He started to touch things within his reach. And as soon as he did, they turned into gold. The bunch of roses in a vase, the curtains, the bed sheet, and his clothes all turned to gold. He, H-E-R-A-N, ran. He ran down, D-O-W-N, down to the garden. G-R-D-E-N, garden, children, underline. He ran down to the garden, which was full of blooming roses. Blooming you have to make underline children, B-L-O-O-M-I-N-G, blooming. B-L-O-O-M-I-N-G, blooming roses. Every flower he touched turned into gold. Every flower he touched turned into gold. E-V-E-R-Y, every. Repeat children, E-V-E-R-Y, every. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-U-W-E-R, flower. He, H-E, he. T-O-U-C-H-E-D, touched. T-O-U-C-H-E-D, touched. T-U-R-N-E-D, turned. I-N-T-O into G-O-L-D, gold. Every flower he touched turned into gold. Once again children, he ran down to the garden. He ran down to the garden, which was full of blooming roses. which was full of blooming roses. Every flower he touched turned into gold. Okay, children, all of you watch this video 3 times. After that, you have to write whatever you underline the words. Those words you have to write in your notebook. Each word 3 times. How many times you should write? 3 times. Very good. 3 times. Okay. After that, take a photo and send it to me. Remaining part we will continue the next session. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.